Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. So how are you all? I hope that all will be fit and fine. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Glamour. So back again with another fashion related video. I hope you people like this video and subscribe my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the most beautiful unique Apple phone cases and cover ideas for teenage girls, for every girls who like to these Apple phone cases. Many beautiful collection, many beautiful ideas in this video. Please don't skip the video and watch till the end. You can see many beautiful cases with butterflies, with fruit jellies, with strawberries, with chain hangings. Beautiful cases, amazing cases of your phones. You can also see very simple case and phone covers for your mobile phone. A huge collection of beautiful phone covers ideas. You can get many ideas from this video. I hope you people like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. You can get many ideas from this video. Cute phone covers is also available in this video. It's a trendy fashion to wear a case of phones today's. Very beautiful collection. Please don't skip the video and watch till the end so you can get any idea for your phone. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you people like my video. This is a huge collection of beautiful phone covers, cute phone covers, also fashionable phone covers is also available in this video. You can customize your phone covers. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new notification of my new videos. And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So keep watching my channel Fashion and Glamour. For the latest updates of new fashion related videos, you can visit my channel Fashion and Glamour. You can visit my channel for any idea. I hope you people like my video. I carry for you new ideas about fashion on daily basis. So you can get many videos, many ideas about fashion. Please don't forget to share my video with your friends and family. So keep watching my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing my channel. So meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.